Hi, so there is a lot of buzz going on now is how we can use AI into SAP. So after ECC to S4 HANA complete migration wave, now the next step I feel it's convert migrating from BW to Datasphere or BW to BW for HANA or going completely different landscape. So I thought why not trying and using AI to migrate from BW to Datasphere. So that is the reason I have tried to build this accelerator where it will help us to migrate all the models, all the codes from BW environment and upload or convert into Datasphere basically. Either we can connect to the SAP system using Cloud Code MCP, and even the customers don't want to connect their system to AI or Cloud in that matter. So we can also use web app, and there are actually different ways. There are different ways to connect to SAP system or get a metadata and then convert. So either we can connect to BW system or also in the target we can connect to BTP, BDC, or also we can connect to standalone data sphere. So for now, here it's also mentioned how to connect to each system. But for now, I'll just use this file upload and show how it works. So i- when if customer don't want to connect their system to this accelerator, they can also use the metadata dumps using the standard tables. There is information mentioned for each and every how to get the data out of SAP BW environment. So model and every type. I have mentioned the files here. So standard basically tables and how to get the field level data. So for now, for the time being, I'll just use the info object which I have extract and I have loaded, and then from here I can download full migration plan. So let's see. So we got a info object dump from the system, and then for all the info objects, what is the type of that particular info, whether it's a key, whether it's a characteristic, and how the steps to migrate in the data sphere. So this is just in one example we can do for all the type of models in BW, whether it's ADSO, InfoCube, or CMODs or ABAP. Next main thing and very is getting out, like basically converting this routines, ABAP routines in transformation in programs. So for that, I have specifically built the AI converter where you will just paste the ABAP code and then you will see, basically you will get it in SQL. For now, I'll try one example. So I've just loaded one particular routine or and then I'm converting into basically SQL. So if you see here, the above part is converted into select statement in SQL. Similarly, you can do for batches. Also, you can make it completely agentic. In that case, you need to connect to your own cloud key and then convert as much as you want. So here also, if I say load data and then there are like certain type of routines like start routine, end routine, and then I say convert all, and then basically it will convert all the routines into SQL. It will also tell you which ones need to review and where you need to basically find the which code you need to review. So let's one is done. Let me show you how. Yeah, so this is how it will look, and you can just copy from here and paste in Datasphere. So this is the one part. And next step will be now we have all the metadata or the migration plan for everything and how to deploy to Datasphere. So one way, even the customers don't want to connect to this application and they just then they can copy. So from here you can copy basically CSN file, which is then you just need to upload it into Datasphere. So each info object and everything from this file will be created. So you can here generate JSON file and CSN file, and that we can upload into Datasphere. Also, you can connect to Datasphere directly. For now, I have connected in BTP successfully. So maybe let me just quickly show you. I'm using the trial version and connecting to BTP. So we just need to provide the service key, and then so if you see here, the connection is successful because I'm using the trial version, and here also if we check the connection, it's successful. So right now I could successfully connect to BTP. The next roadmap is BDP and directly a Datasphere standalone system. So this is the migration which will guide us and help us to migrate from BW or BW for HANA to Datasphere. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know. And thank you.